Good morning, children. Welcome you all in our math session. Our equal sharing chapter is going on. Equal sharing means division. Division is the breaking up of number in equal numbers of parts. It can also be said division is repeated subtraction. Division using a number strip. This is also we learn in previous session. Division using multiplication tables, and now we are going to learn division by 1. मीन्स 1 नंबर से डिवीजन करना है. जैसे when a number is divided by 1 the result is the number itself. मीन्स किसी भी नंबर को हमने 1 से डिवाइड किया तो आंसर वही नंबर आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 डिवाइड बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 3. मीन्स अगर 1 से हमने 3 को डिवाइड किया तो आंसर 3 आता है. अ नंबर इज डिवाइडेड बाय 1 टू 4. So answer will become 4. Okay. Look here. 6 divided by 1. Answer is 1. 1 से किसी भी नंबर को हमने डिवाइड किया तो रिजल्ट या आंसर वो सेम नंबर आता है. ओके. नाउ डिवीजन बाय द नंबर itself. Okay. Look. When a number is divided by itself the result is always 1. मीन्स अगर किसी नंबर से उसी नंबर को डिवाइड किया तो आंसर ऑलवेज 1 ही आता है. जैसे 3 डिवाइड बाय 3 इज इक्वल टू 1. 4 डिवाइड बाय 4 इज इक्वल टू 1. 6 डिवाइड बाय 6 इज इक्वल टू 1. मीन्स ये किसी भी नंबर को उसी नंबर से डिवाइड किया तो आंसर ऑलवेज कम 1. हियर 7 डिवाइड बाय 7 इज इक्वल टू 1. 10 डिवाइड बाय 10 इज इक्वल टू 1. किसी भी नंबर को उसी सेम नंबर से डिवाइड किया तो आंसर 1 आता है. रिमेंबर दिस. और अगर 1 से डिवाइड किया तो वही नंबर आएगा. लाइक 3 डिवाइड बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 3. ऐसे 1 से अगर 3 को डिवाइड किया तो आंसर 3 आएगा और 3 को 3 से डिवाइड किया तो आंसर 1 आएगा. चिल्ड्रन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग्स. ओके. नाउ we are going to learn division of 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. You know the symbol of division is dot, sleeping line, dot. Okay. Division is represented by a equation, that is dividend, divisor, quotient. Okay. Dividend divided by divisor is equal to quotient. Okay. For example 12 is a dividend, 4 is divisor and 3 is quotient. Otherwise we can write this in this way. Here dividend, like dividend is 12, so we will write 12 here. Divisor means this 4 and quotient is 3. Okay. Now what is dividend? Dividend, the number which is to be divided is called डिविडेंड. मीन्स जिस नंबर को डिवाइड करना है, that is dividend. Okay. Now what about divisor? Divisor means that number that divides the dividend. ये नंबर से हम डिविडेंड को डिवाइड करते हैं, इट्स कॉल्ड डिवाइजर. ओके. एंड कोशंट. कोशंट मीन्स द रिजल्ट और आंसर इज कॉल्ड द कोशंट. ओके. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज देयर, रिमाइंडर. द लेफ्ट ओवर, if any, is called remainder. I will tell you about remainder afterwards. Okay. Once again, dividend means the number which is to be divided. It's called dividend. Okay. Now divisor, the number that divides the dividend is called divisor. Means 12 को हम 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4 इज डिवाइजर. ओके. एंड द रिजल्ट इज कॉल्ड द कोशंट. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ वी विल सी सम example in this equation. Okay. Now we will see this division example in a equation. Look here, divide 15 by 5. Okay, we have to write here 15. 15 means dividend. Okay, 15 divided by 5. 5 is a divisor. Okay. Now here 15 divided by 5. Now we have to recall the multiplication table of 5. Come on. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. Okay. Means we have to stop here where we get 15. Here is 15. So 5 threes are 15. And you have to write this 15 down in this 15 number. Okay. And then the next step is we have to subtract 15 from this 15. Here 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Look here children, 15 divided by 5. This is a dividend, 5 is divisor, and when we recall the table of 5, 5 threes are 15. This 3 is a quotient. Okay. Quotient. And here we get here 0 number. So this 0 or any other number here remains, we called it remainder. Okay. This is the way to divide, to do division. Okay. Again I will explain. Divide 15 by 5. Write here 15 dividend, 5 divisor. Then recall the table of 5. Like 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. We got here number 15, 5 threes are 15. And then subtract this 15 from this 15. We got here 0 number, that is called remainder. And this 3 means the answer or result is called quotient. Okay. Let's see another example. Divide 36 by 3. 36 is a dividend right here. And 3 is divisor. Okay. Now we have to recall the table of 3. We will write here table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Okay, now look here, here is 36. So in this example we have to divide the tens digit by the divisor. Okay, so first here is 3 is divisor and 36 is dividend. So we will take this tens number. लिसन चिल्ड्रन, जब भी हमें यहाँ डिवाइड करना है तो पहले जो लेफ्ट साइड का नंबर है ये 3, उसे पहले डिवाइड करना है. नाउ वी विल सी हियर इज 3 एंड वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 3. सो 3 1s are 3. ये 1 कोशंट में लिखना है बराबर 3 के ऊपर. ओके, 3 1s are 3. This is the long division method. Okay, then we have to subtract this 3. Now 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to bring down this 6 like this. Okay, means we got here 6. Again recall the table of 3. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. We got here 6. So 3 2s are, these 2 you have to write here upside of the 6 number and in the quotient. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 6 we have to write here. Okay, then 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the long method. Okay, now this is dividend. Okay, this is divisor and this is quotient and this is remainder. Okay, let's see another example. 44 divided by 4. Write like this. Okay, 44 divided by 4. 44 is dividend, 4 is divisor. Okay, then we will recall the table of 4. 4 1s are here. 4 1s are 4. Write down this 4 के नीचे. Then 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. ये 4 नीचे लेना है. Again speak table of 4. 4 1s are 4. Okay, then 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Understand? Let's see another example. Here 35 divided by 5. Here also 2 digit number and divide by 5. Okay, first we will see that when we take this left side number 3 and it is not in the table of 5 because smallest number of table 5 is 5. So we have to speak table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. Means we got here 5 7s are 35. हमें यहाँ पे 35 नंबर मिल गया. So we will subtract these both number, means 35 minus 35. 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 3 0. Okay, 5 7s are 35. Answer 0. But in this example there is no 44 number in 4. Okay, so we will take one by one number. This is the difference between division of these examples. Okay, I hope you have understood about division 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Thank you.